November 14th, Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14th in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had immense love, care, and affection for children, and so they call him as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is well known for his love for children and roses. He may not have time for adults, but for children, he always had enough time. According to him, children should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are future of nation and citizens of tomorrow. They are the strength of the country and the foundation of the society. Children's Day is also known as Bal Divas and is celebrated on November 14th every year to spread awareness among people towards the rights, care, and education of children. Children are the future of the country, the key of success and development, which leads the country in a new technological way. They are the God gifts to their parents, innocent, admirable, and loved by everyone, and also by Chacha Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889. He was the first Prime Minister of India who ruled the country for the longest period. He was a great follower of peace and prosperity. His love for children was same as his love for red roses. After India's independence, he did a lot of good work for children and youth. When he became the Prime Minister, his first priority was the education for children. He had established various educational institutions. Free primary education, free meals including milk were provided to the school children in order to prevent children from malnutrition in India. After independence and before 1964, Children's Day in India was celebrated on 20th November. But after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1964, the Children's Day celebration date was changed from 20th November to 14th November. Government and non-government organizations, schools, NGOs, private bodies and other conduct a variety of competition for children to let them know about their rights and make them happy and cheer.